In 2026, DJI is redefining what's possible in aerial filmmaking. From intelligent AI flight systems to cinematic camera technology, these powerful drones are changing how creators capture the sky. In this video, we're counting down 5 DJI drones that are pushing creative limits and transforming aerial filmmaking like never before. Number 1. Introducing the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, an AI cinematic drone engineered to redefine aerial filmmaking. Built for creators who demand precision, power, and cinematic excellence, the Mavic 4 Pro combines advanced artificial intelligence with professional-grade imaging to deliver stunning visuals from the sky. Its intelligent flight system analyzes scenes in real time, enabling smooth tracking, dynamic framing, and cinematic movements that feel effortless and natural. Equipped with a high-performance camera system, advanced stabilization, and enhanced low-light capabilities, the Mavic 4 Pro captures every detail with incredible clarity, rich color, and cinematic depth. Whether you're shooting landscapes, action sequences, or cinematic storytelling shots, this drone adapts instantly to deliver professional results in any environment. With extended flight time, improved obstacle sensing, and precise control, the Mavic 4 Pro offers confidence and creativity in every flight. From solo creators to professional filmmakers, it's designed to turn imagination into motion. DJI Mavic 4 Pro isn't just a drone. It's an intelligent cinematic tool built to elevate storytelling, creativity, and aerial filmmaking to the next level. Number 2. Meet the DJI Neo 2, a smart tracking drone built for effortless flying and intelligent content creation. Designed for everyday creators, travelers, and adventure lovers, the Neo 2 combines advanced AI tracking with simple, intuitive controls to make capturing stunning aerial shots easier than ever. Its intelligent follow modes lock onto your subject with precision, delivering smooth, stable footage while you focus on the moment, not the controls. Powered by upgraded AI algorithms, the DJI Neo 2 can recognize movement, predict direction, and maintain perfect framing in real time. Whether you're cycling, hiking, or filming action scenes, this drone adapts instantly, keeping your shots cinematic and steady. Enhanced stabilization and high-quality imaging ensure clear, vibrant visuals in a wide range of environments. With lightweight design, quick takeoff, and improved flight efficiency, the Neo 2 is built for convenience and confidence. Smart safety features, reliable obstacle awareness, and responsive controls make it ideal for both beginners and experienced pilots. DJI Neo 2 isn't just a smart tracking drone, it's your personal aerial cameraman designed to follow, frame, and capture every moment with intelligence and ease. Number 3. DJI Mini 5 Pro, a compact 1-inch CMOS drone designed to bring professional aerial photography to your fingertips. Engineered for creators who demand cinematic quality in a portable package, the Mini 5 Pro combines powerful imaging capabilities with intelligent flight modes for smooth, breathtaking footage. Its 1-inch CMOS sensor captures stunning detail, vibrant colors, and exceptional low-light performance, ensuring every shot is crisp and professional. With advanced AI-powered flight features, obstacle avoidance, and precise tracking, this drone adapts to any scenario, whether you're filming landscapes, action sequences, or creative cinematic shots. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to carry, while extended flight time and intelligent battery management keep you in the air longer for uninterrupted shooting. DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just a drone, it's a complete creative companion that combines portability, power, and intelligence to elevate your aerial storytelling to the next level. Number 4. Introducing the DJI Air 3S, a dual-camera drone engineered for creators who demand versatility, precision, and cinematic quality in every flight. Equipped with 2 high-performance cameras, the Air 3S allows seamless switching between ultra-wide and telephoto perspectives, capturing breathtaking landscapes, dynamic action, and cinematic storytelling in unparalleled detail. Its intelligent AI flight modes and advanced tracking features ensure every shot is perfectly framed, whether following fast-moving subjects or executing complex aerial maneuvers. With enhanced obstacle sensing, extended flight time, and superior stabilization, this drone delivers professional-grade footage with ease, even in challenging environments. Its lightweight, portable design makes it ready for any adventure, while smart flight intelligence optimizes performance and safety, giving pilots full control and confidence. DJI Air 3S isn't just a drone, it's a dual-camera cinematic powerhouse designed to elevate your aerial creativity and capture every moment with precision, clarity, and cinematic brilliance. Number 5. Meet the DJI Avata 2, an immersive FPV drone designed to put you in the pilot seat and deliver breathtaking first-person aerial experiences. Engineered for creators, adventurers, and thrill-seekers, the Avata 2 combines cutting-edge FPV technology with intelligent flight systems, providing ultra-smooth motion, precise control, and cinematic-grade stabilization. Its high-resolution camera captures stunning detail, while its advanced AI features ensure effortless tracking, obstacle avoidance, and dynamic shot composition. With lightweight aerodynamic design and extended flight capabilities, this drone glides through complex environments, from tight urban streets to expansive natural landscapes, offering an unparalleled immersive perspective. Whether performing acrobatic maneuvers, exploring new terrains, or capturing cinematic footage, the Avata 2 keeps you fully in control while delivering incredible visuals. DJI Avata 2 isn't just a drone, it's an immersive flight experience, a creative tool, and a gateway to cinematic storytelling from the sky like never before. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest tech and gadget updates.